Supervisor Mrs. Carmelita Piata, Dean Principal May, and Dean 30 May. A total of 61 candidates for graduation. They have satisfactorily completed the course requirements as prescribed by the basic education curriculum under the Bureau of Secondary Education of the Department of Education. They are now ready to be recommended for confirmation, ma'am.
Upon hearing the presentation of Mr. Lauro, the school head of Balang Integrated School, these 61 students comply the requirements of the Department of Education. Sir, they are now waiting for your confirmation.
Having been presented by the school head, Mr. Orlando Lauro, duly recommended by the district in charge, Mrs. Carmelita Piata, that these 61 candidates for graduation from Balang Integrated School, having been complied all the requirements, the full year basic education curriculum prescribed by the Bureau of Secondary Education, Department of Education, and by virtue of the authority vested in me by the Secretary of the Department of Education, I, as Secretary of the Union, the officer in charge of the Office of the School Division Superintendent, you hereby confirm this 61 as graduates of Balang Integrated School, the pioneer class for school year 2011-2012, with all the rights, privileges, and other appropriate venue as the first graduate of this school, Balang Integrated School. Congratulations.